So this is the first time in a long time that I feel like I'm old for this. I try gesture. This is iOS 26 beta 1 and I try to install iPhone X gesture on it, and it's turned out to be have a red starter bar. So I tried to change it and it's not possible in every way. So if there anyone can solve the problem, please let me know. I try to fix everything here with the UI, with everything, and it's not working. So please let me know, okay? Is there anything you can do to fix it? I'm happy and thank you.